So there are two more actions we want to go over in this video here real quick. And that is the subscriber move list, and then you can ultimately delete your subscriber too. So first we can do subscriber move list, and essentially what that's going to do is you set it up to do exactly what it says, is you want to move a certain audience subscriber to a list. So we'll go here and subscriber move. And then you can pick whatever list that you are going through to select to move that subscriber to. So if it was here for your audience, you have your attendees and you want them all in their own list, this is how you go about doing that. And then we can have this set. You want the move list to happen after your event is over. So we can do it for 3 hours. Usually it gives enough time for all the numbers to crunch to see what the attendees and all that kind of stuff. So give it some time there. So we have it here, move list. And like the other one I said, is it all depends on how you set your audiences up. If you wanted to go and delete a certain audience, you have certain parameters that your registrants did not even hit at all, then you can just let them go. So if you had an audience to say they attended it and then they did not see the call to action, and you don't want them on the list anymore, or you had them, they saw the call to action and then they didn't take any action after that, you want to get rid of them. It's however you want to set up the audience here, excuse me. So right now, let's say we had one of those parameters set up and it was for the non-attendee. And we want to delete all the non-attendees because they never even showed up for anything. So we're going to go here and then just delete subscriber. And then 6 hours after the event is over, it will run in this through ActiveCampaign and remove any subscribers that did not attend the webinar at all. And then same thing there in create. So that is what we have right now to cover everything we can do with ActiveCampaign at the moment. So if we get anything more that comes up that we can add on to, we're going to make more videos, update these videos. So please keep an eye out here and in our support channels as well to be up to date on everything that we can do with AEvent and ActiveCampaign. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.